To check glow plugs, just pull the glow plug harness off. It just pops off, and just wiggle it to the side. Take a test light, attach it to battery positive. Make sure that the test light lights up when you touch ground, and then all you do is touch the tip of the glow plug. This one is dead. The light should light up. This one is working. This one is dead. And this one is dead. So three dead glow plugs, number 1, number 3, and number 4. In this case, I would replace all 4. Even when there is only 2 bad, I would replace all 4. It's just a matter of time before the other 2 blow. Removal should be quite easy. 10mm deep socket. I already blew clean the engine ahead of time. I didn't record that, sorry. That one's pretty tight. That one's popped loose. If it feels funky, definitely be careful. Sometimes people over tighten them. Okay, and this one I might have to work it back and forth. I'm just going to spray a little lube around this one. Hopefully that'll penetrate down the threads. Number 1, number 3, and number 4. You can see how black they are, and that's an indication that they weren't working. Okay, I switched over to a 3/8 drive ratchet extension. With a universal and a 3/8 deep socket, 10mm. And I didn't record it because I didn't want, in case it snapped, I didn't want to record that part of it. And it did come loose. It's a little bit of a tighter squeeze, that's why you had to use a universal flex joint. And it won't clear the fuel lines, so I need to take the universal off first. Come on. The struggle is real. I'm just trying to pry the universal out, and now I can get the socket and the glow plug. You can see this one is a lot brighter or more gray looking than black. That's number 1. You can see how black it is. That's number 1. This is number 2. To check it, all you need to do is attach a jumper wire to the power end. That's the ground side. So touch the battery positive, and then touch the glow plug to ground, and you can see it glows. Don't do this with vehicles 2003 and newer. They use different voltage rated glow plugs. You can burn them out if you don't know what you're doing. You can do it the same way, but you can also burn them out. And this is number 1, just so you can see that this one is bad. Nothing's happening. Within 4 seconds it should have a red tip. Nothing. So this one's obviously bad. You can do a resistance check if you'd like, but like I said, all you need to do is do a test light check. That's bad. This is good. But because it's as old as the others, most likely, you want to replace them all. Installation is in reverse of removal. Torque spec will be in the video. Thanks for watching.